You can hear it.
Yeah, you definitely hear it.
It's small hail. Oh my god, I can hear this aggravating windshield wipers. Oh my god, it's nuts. Look at the lightning in this thing, man.
Going crazy.
Golly. Alright, we are just like rain free right now.
Yeah,
Where?
weird.
This is really weird, okay.
Yeah, well, you know what?
Run, it's right there. Run, 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 run. It's right there. It's right there. Run. I'm serious, it's right there. Holy shit, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Oh my god, it's right there. Look, it's going right in front of us. Look. Are you seeing this? Power flashes. Oh my god, it's right there, man. There goes a tornado. Right there, right in front of us. Holy shit. Oh, power flashes. Oh, rear flank downdraft. She's heading towards Panama City now. Holy shit. Holy shit, that was a tornado. Listen to the roar. Listen to the roar, it's a big tornado. Let's get in the truck, let's get in the truck, get in the truck, get in the truck. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Come on, my door. All right. Tornado just hit. Hey, is everybody okay back there? This is intense. Just blew that whole thing right off. Y'all okay? Are they okay? Do they need help?
I don't know. You can't actually.
Can't even get in there. Shit. Shit. It took a whole phone pole down right here. Jeez. Where the hell is 911 at? I called him too. I was on the phone with him for a while. Is everybody okay up there? Holy shit. Holy shit. You can't go down Thomas Drive, man. They got to come in a different way. They got to come in a different way. Hey, you guys okay? You guys all right up there? Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy shit. Man, glad you guys are okay. Golly. Massive tornado damage, Thomas Drive, Panama City Beach. This wasn't no At least an EF1. At least an EF1. Look at this truck. This truck moved. This truck moved. Holy shit. Yeah, that's a transformer or something on the power line. You better touch that. Broke the palm tree completely in half. Look at this. That's road. Holy shit, man. Look at that, man. Tornado, Panama City Beach. Ain't no joke. Oh my God. This place was here forever. Look at it now. Oh my God, look at this. Holy shit. God, dude. Oh my God, dude, look at this. Oh my God. Blew this whole thing out. Guys, this is just so real right here, man. This is so, it's just, I don't even know what to say. The damage is extensive on Thomas Drive. That was a big tornado. Oh my God, look at this phone pole. Man, look at this. Oh my God, dude. Oh man, look at this pole right here. That's the power flashes we were seeing. Look at this, man. Oh man, look at this house. Oh man, what is that? Oh jeez. Oh my God, dude. Smells. That's gas. That's gas. That's gas. They might have to take this thing down. I'm getting out of here, man. That's gas. That's not good. That's gas. I smell gas. Oh man, that's not good. Maybe I can flag down one of these cops over here. He's going that way, so I can't flag him down, man. Look at Thomas Drive. Shit. What do I do? Call 911 for gas? Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy shit, and we got video of this thing too, man. Jeez Louise.
I don't believe they stay open all night. But
You should get out of his way, man. Shit. You're trying to get through and you're over there all up in the way. That's the cavalry right there.
Another reason why please stop the road so these people can get out.
Let me go see if I can stop one of these guys. And there might be a gas leak over this way.
I don't have nothing to do with that.
Because I think right there where that power pole snapped, it smells like gas.
Yeah, there's so much shit out here.
Oh, all right. It's insane. We were at the state park when it hit. We got video of the tornado.
You
want to see it?
send it to my phone.
Look at this, man. Jeez. Take a little while to clean up after this thing. Look at the debris all in the parking lot. This was a bad tornado. Are y'all okay over there? Everybody good? Wow, that was intense, wasn't it? We were at the state park and watched it coming. And we took off and ran. And right, I mean, literally where the tower is where we were.
Oh, yeah.
And we watched it as it came ashore. I mean, it was a big, full-fledged funnel tornado.
They just freaking intense.
It came right through.
Freaking exploded. Holy shit. I was right up there.
You were? Dang. But that was wild, wasn't it?
It was pretty crazy.
Well, I'll tell you one thing, man. I'm glad you're okay.
Man, the lady was up there. Her heart was completely gone, but it got her dug out. She was okay.
Yeah. Well, they said it was going to be bad. And they said that, you know, people got to pay attention to these things now. It ain't like it used to be. It used to miss us all the time. It ain't missing us now.
Didn't miss it. This is it, baby.
I'm going to run over there and get some pictures. I work with the National Weather Service. I've been a storm spotter for 25 years.
Oh, yeah?
So I want to get as much of this because they'll probably clean up a lot of it before the National Weather Service even gets out
It
here.
just exploded.
That's insane.
Last
I worked at this place back when it was Montego Bay
Yeah.
for 10 years. I always saw this building. I never thought I'd see it like that. That's crazy. Hey, he was in there. He was in it.
Are you serious?
Yeah. He dug out a lady off the top. You believe that? Yeah.
We saw one coming by.
It was a multiple vortex. I guarantee you it was.
The one we saw came by the pier down there. We followed it over here.
I said once.
This would have been a different one.
Now you know why I was like, run. We gotta run now. It's right behind
It
us.
just exploded.
Yeah.
It's looking like Hurricane Michael damage. I mean, this is
Yeah, but this is classic tornado. Classic tornado damage. Classic. I mean,
It was pretty wild.
it ain't over yet though, man. There's a squall line coming.
Panhandling, Texas.
Yeah. So you're kind of used to it
I'm used to it, but I ain't never been through one. Big close, but I ain't been through one.
until you come here, of all places.
I had 4 days left. I was going home Saturday.
Man, look at this palm tree. Wow. I have never seen a palm tree broken in half. Look at this. Look at that. Boom. Holy crap. Man, I hope that thing don't fall down on us. God. Look at this, man. Look Look at all the insulation in that tree. That is nuts. That's all insulation in that tree. Yeah, this guy's got blown out windows on his truck. Look at this car. This car's blown out windows. Look at this van. That's why you don't want to be in a vehicle when a tornado hits. You got damage done to this building over here too. Just a variety of stuff through here. Oh man, look at this. Oh man. Oh man. More power poles. This is why all those power flashes we were seeing in the video. You can see what happened right there. Holy crap, man, look at that. Oh man, what is this? What is that? Is that part of that house? Is that a dumpster? What is that? That is a dumpster. Oh my God, look at this. Oh man. Oh man, look at this. Spyglass and Hispaniola. This power pole has been snapped 3 times. This is going to take some time to clean. Now that is a power line. I did not want to touch that. Jeez. Oh my God. Even that house got hit too. Holy shit. Where'd that dumpster come from? Dang. Where was you when it hit? Holy shit. We saw it coming ashore in the state park and got it on video. This whole area was power flashes, and then you just see the funnel and all the debris flying there. We had like